this is just a handy list of relevant resources, and I think it could be worthwhile just clicking to each of these just to show you the wealth of information that the MOE provides for these to explain the differences, etc. So that was a link right to the Ontario's Brownfield site here. Okay, and you scroll down and they give you an overview of what brownfields are, tell you how to submit and file a record of site condition, amendments to the reg, and then down here additional information. You click on any one of these and you get all the documents that you need. Under resources for qualified persons, this is where you'll find the documents used in the past and the current ones. So really only relevant to people actually doing these phase 1s and phase 2s and risk assessments, which have to be qualified persons, and that's defined specifically in the regulation. So the next link I provide here is a link directly to the MOE's site registry, and you can search for RSCs filed between the 1st of October 04 and June 30th, and then for the ones filed after July 1st. I searched yesterday and there were 2 filed to date. You note the first thing they bring you to is the disclaimer page, and basically you file your record of site condition. That does protect you from orders. That does allow you to change property use, but if there's any errors or anything, the ministry is not liable, and that's spelt out here. And there's an exemption, protection from liability written right into the statute. You can't sue the ministry for anything your qualified person states in your record of site condition. So you got to agree to all this, and then you can go ahead and search for the what's been filed. So you see there's been 2 filed to date. And the last link I provide is just to the modernization of approvals bit. And again, that comes into force October 31st, 2011. That's a streamlined process, and this is the link to more information from the ministry on that. There will be yet another environmental registry as a result of this, where you will be able to register online, and again, for simple projects, get your environmental compliance approval registered right on there on this environmental activity and sector registry. For those interested in a more in-depth but user-friendly plain language overview of the nitty-gritty of phase 1s and phase 2s, the ministry also has created plain language guides for completing both of them, and I provide the links to both of those on this as well. So that takes you right to the PDF, and there it is. June 2011 covers what the current requirements are, and there's a document for both the phase 1s and the phase 2s. And that's it.